Welcome to World Coins Explorer, where we bring you fascinating insights into rare and historical coins from around the world. In today's episode, we are diving into a remarkable coin from Spain, the 25 Pesetas coin of 1975. This coin is an important piece of Spanish numismatic history featuring King Juan Carlos I, who played a crucial role in Spain's transition to democracy. We will explore its design, metal composition, historical background, and current value in the collector's market. So, stay tuned till the end and let's uncover the story behind this fascinating coin. The 25 pesetas coin from 1975 was issued during a pivotal time in Spanish history. The coin features King Juan Carlos I, who had just ascended the throne after the death of General Francisco Franco in 1975. This was a crucial period as Spain was moving from a dictatorship to a constitutional monarchy. Juan Carlos I played a significant role in establishing democracy in Spain, making this coin not just a monetary piece, but also a symbol of political change. The 25 pesetas denomination was used in Spain before the adoption of the euro in 2002, making it a nostalgic piece for many Spanish people. The obverse side of the coin features a left-facing portrait of King Juan Carlos I with the inscription Juan Carlos I Rey de España, Juan Carlos I, King of Spain, around the edge. Below the portrait, the year 1975 is inscribed. On the reverse side, we see a detailed royal crown positioned above the denomination 25 PTS, short for pesetas. Below the denomination, there is a small six-pointed star containing the number 80, which actually represents the year of mintage, making it a 1980 issue coin despite the 1975 inscription on the obverse. This was a common practice in Spanish coins of this period. This 25 pesetas coin is made of a copper-nickel alloy, giving it a silver-like appearance while maintaining durability. It has a diameter of 23 millimeters and weighs around 5.75 grams. The coin's edge is reeded, adding a distinct texture to its design. Due to its metallic composition, it does not attract a magnet, which is a key identification factor for authentic pieces. The use of copper-nickel made these coins resistant to corrosion, which is why many of them are still found in good condition today. The value of this 25 pesetas coin depends on its condition and the year marked on the small star on the reverse side. Some variations, especially those with lower mintage numbers, can fetch a higher price among collectors. In circulated condition, this coin may be worth around $2 to $5, while an uncirculated piece with sharp details and no signs of wear could be valued at $10 or more. However, certain rare mint errors or low mintage varieties can be even more valuable. Collectors and numismatists highly seek these coins, especially those in mint condition or with historical significance. This Spanish 25 pesetas coin from 1975 is not just a piece of currency, but a representation of Spain's history, politics, and numismatic beauty. It serves as a reminder of the country's transition from dictatorship to democracy, and holds value both as a collector's item and a historical artifact. If you have one in your collection, it's worth examining the small star on the reverse side to determine its exact mintage year and potential value. Thank you for joining World Coins Explorer on this exciting journey into the world of rare coins. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content on World Coins. See you in the next episode.